morning mga palangga. So, bihis ako. Well, mukhang bihis. Pupunta tayo mamaya sa garage para bumili ng milk kasi naubusan na kami ng milk. Today is Sunday. But before that, kukuha tayo ng rhubarb para ibigay kay mother-in-law.
See how they're growing?
Yeah, they're growing nicely. So beautiful. So, Mr. will show me how to pick a rhubarb.
Select the sticks. Some nice sticks in here, you know.
Pick some as well for ourselves as well.
See? Right. You just pull it out off the
I just
bottom.
want to show them first before.
See? Right,
Yeah.
you just take it out off the bottom.
I
like
see.
That.
Ah.
Yeah? That's another good one.
On the other side, please, as well.
Ah, that's broken off.
Ah, hand.
Alright, still got it.
That one, oh,
This is a good one. Isn't it?
it's leaning.
It
Wow.
should come out like that, you say.
I see. Wow. See? Pag may tinanim ka, may aanihin ka talaga.
My mother wants about three sticks, you say. That's broken, that one. Yeah.
I think you can still use that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'll make a rhubarb pie later on.
That's broken off. It's a bit sluggy, right?
No, throw that away. I think that's not good now.
This one.
Let's see.
Flipping it.
Han, you broken it again.
Alright, got it.
Let's see again. So it should be like that. I see. More.
That's enough.
There's one big one there, sweet. This one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Wow.
That's a new one, actually.
Yeah, very
Right,
nice.
So all you do with your knife now is that.
I see.
Yeah. Just chop the head off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ito na yung harvest time ng ating rhubarb. And that's it. Oh, one more. Yan.
Just leave them.
Can you not eat the leaves?
We don't normally, darling.
No. So ito na yung na-harvest natin. Yan. Alam nyo kung ano yung smell? Yung smell niya parang rhubarb. Hindi ko ma-figure out kung ano yung smell niya. Pero may amoy. Pero kung naku-curious kayo kung ano yung rhubarb, kung ano yung lasa ng rhubarb, maasim to. Pero yun siya. Yan, di ba? Pwede mo tong i-stew, pwede mo ring ipay. Kung ano-ano, marami siyang magagawa using a rhubarb. Pero yun na nga, I don't have a lot of knowledge cooking with rhubarb kasi mismo din ako, I'm not very fan sa rhubarb. Kumakain ako pero not so fan of it. So ito hahatiin namin sa dalawa para kay mother-in-law din para sa amin. Then later on gagawa tayo ng rhubarb pie and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin. Han, what I gonna do with my wheelies? Do I need to wash it outside?
Well, just take them off.
Take them off? Wet kasi yung ground kasi I think last night umulan ng kaunti. Here you go, sir. Excuse me. Thank you. Are we going now? So, pipiliin natin yung the best para kay mother-in-law. Ito, maganda to. Sabi niya, she just need 3 rhubarb. Yan. So, 3. Meron ako ditong sinampay na freezer bag. Hindi siya dry kasi yun na nga, naulanan siya. Sinampay ko to kahapon. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit ko to sinampay, kasi ni-recycle ko to. Oh, diba? Yan na. And we'll take this inside. Whoa, so clean.
Yeah. What are my gloves? Are yours?
Yours. Let's go.
No car.
No cars. It's so quiet, which is
We've
good.
had a few cyclists.
Yeah, I've seen few cyclists.
I need to go along here with chainsaw and cut these things down again. Or it ends up like this.
So are we going to Mama first or to the garage or spar shop? Which one? There's a cyclist behind us. Two cyclists.
Yeah.
So meron akong scarf dito para ito yung imas ko. Kasi yung mask na in-order ko hindi pa din dumadating. Kasi yung mask kasi na binili namin, hindi talaga siya magkasya sa akin. Very gloomy today.
Yeah.
Gloomy. So ito. Oh, come on, that's it. So we get some ice cream for her rhubarb pie. She looks good naman. She's keeping well herself, so that's the main thing. Parang may chinichika si Bianan kay Mr. ha. So we did not go to the garage. We went to spar shop kasi open yung spar shop. And then we get 2 milk. Yan, 2 milk. And we have
Mama.
Yeah, we pop into Mama.
And she made us a quick pie.
Like a minute, that's it, pie. No, she made apple pie. And yun, binigyan niya kami. Kasi she made 4 apple pie, this size. So, binigay niya yung isa sa
Very
amin.
quiet, isn't it?
Mm.
Rabbit, little baby rabbit, look.
Yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute.
They might survive a bit more because there's not as much traffic there as well, look.
Yeah, oh, it's so cute. I don't know if you can see it really, but it's so cute.
Like me.
Like you?
Cute.
Okay, I'll consider.
Oi. How can you say that?
Look at the motorway, how, oh
it?
my goodness.
Cool, huh?
Yan na mga loves. Hinugasan ko na yung camera ko. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Nag-change na rin ako bago ako nag-disinfect sa binili naming milk. Kasi last time, yun yung sabi nyo na dapat mag-change muna. So, nag-change ako. So, yan na. Meron na tayong milk. We can have a custard. We can have a custard. Are we putting this?
Maybe now.
And then the rhubarb that I gonna make, the rhubarb pie, I will put that in the freezer. Is that right?
If you like.
Yeah.
Is this still frozen, like, isn't it?
So frozen.
You might as well put that back in the freezer.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, and then just
We'll have a rhubarb pie instead.
pop it in the freezer.
Okay. Thank you. Merong delivery. Saan niya iniwan? Where did he left it?
By the door.
By the door?
Yeah, sit you down there.
Ah, yeah, it's there. Yeah, leave it outside.
Is it Amazon?
Not sure though. I don't know what it is. If it is a spatula, it is too slim for spatula, sweetheart. I doubt it. Don't touch anything. It's Amazon?
Back of it, yeah.
Right, I see. Just leave it out. We'll do that later.
Somebody might steal it.
No. Nobody will steal it.
You can have coffee now.
And also, if it is a spatula, that's good for my baking today.
You're cutting trees.
Later. So, before tayo gagawa ng ating pie, i-check muna natin kung ano yung parcel. Kasi just in case na spatula yun. So, we can use it today. Let's see. Let's see, what is this? Let's see kung ano to. It's from Amazon. Kasi in-order ko kahapon, kagabi yung yung spatula. Alam ko naman na yung Amazon, they are quick talaga. Oh, di ba? Oh, yes. It is a spatula, mga loves. Dali lang, ha? Diyan ka muna. So, ito yung spatula natin. Meron naman silang mga different color. Pero wala akong mahanap na gray. Kasi gusto ko kasing gray para i-matching-matching sa kitchen natin ba. Pero ito na lang. Black, okay na. Mukhang quality naman. First impression, mukhang quality yung ating spatula. So, they are set of different sizes and itong brush. So, silicone sila. Yeah. So, this is the first one. Ito, spatula. Ito. So, 5 set of spatulas. Yeah, so pwede siyang gamitin sa microwave, oven, freezer, dishwasher, steamer, high heat resistant siya. So, 100% pure food grade silicone, good and safe for health. No chemical coatings, which is good. I don't know how to pronounce this. I-spell ko na lang sa inyo kasi hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. Pero, yung is PHTHALATE free. Phalate free, PBE free, then PVC free. I don't know if the first word, the phalate free, I don't know. Basta, na-spell ko na. Kayo na ang bahalang mag-pronounce kung tama ba or hindi. Kayo na ang bahalang mag-decide kung yung pronunciation ko sa phalate free is tama ba or hindi. So anyway, ito na. Maganda. Ito yung make ng ating spatula. Uy, focus. Uy! Kanino ang akong camera. Ayaw talaga niya mag-focus. Die. Yan. So, walfos. Huhugasan ko muna sila dito. Nagka-idea na ako na pag nag-grocery kami, dito na lang didiretso sa laundry area instead sa kitchen. Kasi last time nung nag-grocery talaga kami, parang hindi ko talaga siya naisip na it's a good idea na dito na lang didiretso sa laundry instead sa kitchen. So, yan na. Online yung family ko. Hello?
Wala
Wala. So, magagamit na natin ito. Babalatan ko muna yung ating rhubarb. Yung rhubarb natin, hindi ko siya gagamitin lahat. Wait, onti ka. Kung saan picturan, ha? Yung mama ko, nagtatanong kung ano-kuno ang rhubarb. Ito yung rhubarb. Picturan ko muna, ha? Yan na yung hiniwa ko. Ito na yung hiniwa ko. Ito yung pipicturan natin. I-send natin yung dalawang picture na tinake ko. Mag-send na ako, Nay! Nawala yung signal nila, mga loves. So, yun na nga. Nilagay ko siya sa microwave para yung sugar natin ma-melt at maluto na din yung ating rhubarb.
Make sure you put the sugar in the oven.
Put this back in the microwave. Because as you can see, there's still a lot of sugar on the bottom.
You could have just done it without in a pan.
I know. Medyo brown na yung ating rhubarb. And pag ganito na, medyo luto na siya. Titikman ko lang kung hindi ba siya masyadong maasim. I think it's just right. Nagkikick in pa din yung pagka-sourness ng ating rhubarb. Pero at the same time, as in balance lang sila talaga ba. Hindi siya masyadong sweet at hindi naman siya masyadong sour. So, that's good. 1 more minute and okay na yung ating filling. Gagawa na lang tayo ng pastry. For the pastry, we need... Huh? Yes, please. For the pastry, we need 250 grams of plain flour, pinch of salt, 75 grams of lard, 75 grams of margarine, cold water, about 30 ml, and add 50 grams of sugar. So, yun yung pastry natin. Ito, ikikip ko to. Empty na siya, pero ang plano ko, lalagyan ko to ng self-raising flour. Why not naman, diba? Just cross it out and lagyan mo ng self-raising flour. Why not? Lalagay ko na yung flour natin dito. And then a pinch of salt. Yan. And I think, I presume ha, ilalagay ko na yung sugar. Kasi dito sa instruction kasi, she is not using a sugar kasi yung pastry siguro niya hindi sweet pastry. Pero sabi niya, if sweet pastry, lagyan mo ng sugar. So, should I mix everything? Yan. Then, i-rub natin. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko na procedure. I'm just so happy na yung rhubarb natin may na...
Sharp.
Good. Thank you. I need to wash them. So, finally, si Mr. Shinarpin na yung knife natin. So, anyway, balik tayo sa sinasabi ko. I'm so happy na yung rhubarb natin, may na-harvest na tayo. Kasi, di ba, nakakatuwa. Kasi, last year? Yeah, I think last year. No, it wasn't last year. 2000, kasi last year, hindi siya pwedeng kunan kasi that's the very first year. So, 2018 ko siya tinanim. And then, last year, healthy siya. Pero sabi ng iba, dapat daw sa first year ng rhubarb mo, hindi siya dapat kunan ng mga stem. So, hindi ko siya kinunan. So, this is our first harvest sa ating rhubarb. And sabi ni mother-in-law, kasi binigyan namin si mother-in-law na she will make a rhubarb pie. Ito na siya mga palangga. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa fridge. Actually, hahatiin ko siya. Kasi kailangan natin yung top and bottom na pastry kasi. Yan. So, ito yung bottom. Ito yung para sa top natin. While we're waiting for our pastry to chill, kailangan natin itong i-drain kasi yung liquid dito, hindi natin to kailangan lahat kasi pag nilagay natin to as it is, yung ano natin, yung pie, magiging soggy siya kasi maglalagay ako ng top and bottom pastry. So, ito, no. So, kailangan natin itong i-drain. So, meron ako ditong ito. Yan. So, hayaan muna natin siyang mag-drain. Malamig na sila. Chill. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Ginaganito ko siya kasi para ibalik yung pagka-circle niya. Kasi sometimes hindi talaga siya perfect circle. Right, I think enough na siya. So, yung excess, ikakat lang natin. Yan. Ito na siya. Yan. So, ito na. Yeah. We're good. Yung gagawin natin, itong rhubarb natin, ilalagay natin dito. Yan. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting syrup. Yan na, happy na ako dyan. So, ilalagay na natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagamitin ko dito na pang, ano ba, pang, parang ganito, pang level out. Hindi naman siguro magmamatter, no? May choices na kasi tayo. Nakita nyo naman na yung rhubarb natin, hindi talaga siya masyadong marami. Kulang siya sa ating pie dish. But we'll try to spread that out evenly. Then, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunti. Yan na. And, lalagay natin to. Kailangan natin i-press yung side. Yan na. So, yung may mga butas-butas kasi hindi perfect yung pie natin. So, yung excess ng ating pastry, pinifill ko na lang yung mga butas. Pwede naman tayong gumawa ng design, like gawa ka ng dahon dyan. Kailangan natin itong gamitin. So, gawa tayo ng dahon. Yan. Yan na yung dahon natin. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin? Lagyan natin sa gitna. So, ito na yung pie natin, mga loves. Ito na yung before, bago natin siya ilagay sa oven. Sobrang happy ako dito sa ating presentation. At least mga loves, meron na tayong presentation. At least, medyo nag-i-improve na tayo. Hindi perfect, pero at least, you know, keep on trying until na magiging expert ka sa pagbe-bake. Kasi, may kasabihan nga na an expert was once a beginner. Tama ba? Basta may narinig akong ganoong kasabihan. And totoo naman talaga na yung expert, beginner din sila noon. Kasi pag may ginagawa tayong bagay, hindi naman talaga na expert ka agad-agad. Kailangan mo siyang i-practice. And yun. So, happy lang ako. Happy lang ako kasi may improvement tayo, and yung pie natin galing sa ating homegrown rhubarb, diba? Before natin ilagay siya sa oven, magmi-milk wash tayo. Our Prime Minister is out of hospital. Good. Kasi yung Prime Minister namin, nasa intensive care siya noon dahil sa virus. Pero that's a good news na nakalabas na siya ng hospital. Ginamit ko pala yung natin, yung bagong dumating, yung dumating kanina. Yan na. I-sprinklean ko ulit ng sugar. Ilalagay ko na talaga sa oven. Yon. Hindi talaga ako makamove on dito. Sana masarap siya. So, we need to time it for 15 minutes muna. Yan. We just need to keep on shaking the pie. 15 minutes is up. Check lang natin, ha. Hindi pa siya luto, pero it's looking good.
Not ready.
Not ready. So, another 15 minutes. Yan. 1 minute na lang yung natira. So, check natin. Wow, I think luto na to. Kukunin na natin yan. I need 2 hands. Han, I think this is cooked. I want you to have a look, Han. I want you to have a look.
I'm looking.
It's cooked, sweetheart. I think. Ah.
Yeah, could be, yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah,
Yeah, cooked underneath.
could be. Yeah. How long has it been in?
30 minutes.
How long does it say it should be in for?
I'm not following any recipe.
Okay.
Nasira.
Leave it to cool. God, I'm losing weight, obviously.
Yeah, I think it's cooked. So, ito na yung finished product ng ating pie. Wey, ang sarap tingnan. Wow naman. Chor, na-proud talaga ako sa sarili ko. Paulit-ulit. Palamigin muna natin to ng kaunti kasi sobrang init nito. I need to take a picture again para isend sa family ko. Ita-try na namin yung aming rhubarb pie kasi malamig na siya. Ang bango-bango na amoy, mga loves. Masarap yung pie. Yung pie crust. So, I'm just hoping na yung bottom ng pastry natin hindi siya soggy. Hey?
Must be down the fingers, isn't it?
Okay.
A little bit same again. It will be cold when we go out now. Come on, what are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for you. You said you're gonna try the rhubarb first to see if
Well,
what we're having with it. It's either ice cream or custard. See, I got a flower there.
right down the middle.
Right down in the middle.
How big a piece you want?
Just a little.
No?
Yeah, that's enough. More than enough.
It ain't stuff, is it?
They're not stuck, are they? I need
A
to
bit
get
of a spoon.
Yeah,
Let's have it
spoon.
off this one.
I'll get a spoon. There you go.
It's cooked on bottom. I'm not eating with that spoon.
Have you tried a rhubarb to see how sweet it
I
is?
haven't tried anything.
Is it okay? Sour, sweet? What is it?
Okay.
What do you mean by okay? Is it something that you're gonna have again? Or is that something that you want me to cook again?
Yeah, it's fine. I don't need anything with it.
I want an ice cream with it.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of ice cream.
How easy is it to get out of? Where is it? The pastry is just like, It's nice.
I have a big spoon right here. I'm having ice cream. You don't want ice cream?
Oh no.
It's good.
The thing is, that there's different types of rhubarb, right? And some are a lot sweeter than others. That really red rhubarb's good.
The red one.
This is not very sweet. Well, it's okay, but it's not a sweet rhubarb.
Yeah. Please excuse me using my serving spoon.
Thinking that is the best pastry you've ever done.
Is it? No, you're just joking eh, because
No, I'm not.
because you are in the camera. You want to be nice with me.
No, I put my life on it. That is the best sweet paste you've ever made, that.
That's it.
Right, I need to go and do my doodles.
You can have it all tomorrow, Han.
I don't want it all tomorrow. I'll have some tomorrow. Then I'll come back and make it.
Ang sarap. So mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Be safe and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!